Let's get you the latest when it comes to the controversy erupting in Bihar as the Election Commission flags alleged illegal voters, many from Myanmar, from Bangladesh, Nepal. A verification drive will be underway from next month, starting the 1st to the 30th. And if proven that these names will be excluded from the final voter list, the development is likely to stoke further the raging debate in the poll-bound state over the ongoing revision of voter rolls ahead of the assembly elections. The opposition has raised questions on the timing of the exercise and said it won't be completed in time for the polls. Listen to what Tejasvi Yadav had to say and also to the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar.
आयोग ने दावा किया है कि 80.11% मतदाताओं की गणना प्रपत्र भर दिए, लेकिन ये नहीं बताया गया कि इनमें से कितने प्रपत्र सत्यापित कराए, स्वैच्छिक और वैध तरीके से कराए। अभी तक इसकी कोई क्लैरिटी जो है नहीं दी। फील्ड से लगातार ये सूचना हम लोगों को मिल रही है कि बिना मतदाता की जानकारी और सहमति से बीएलओ द्वारा फर्जी अंगूठा या हस्ताक्षर लगाकर प्रपत्र जो है उसको डाउनलोड जो है अपलोड जो है वो किया जा रहा है।
वोटर पुनर्निरीक्षण बिहार में हो रहा, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी इस पर रोक लगाने से मना कर दिया है, लेकिन विपक्ष कह रहा है कि वोट बंदी आप लोग कर रहे हैं इसके जरिए।
देखिए, इन लोगों को संविधान में विश्वास नहीं है। हमने पहले भी कहा कि माननीय न्यायालय इनके विरुद्ध निर्णय देंगे तो उस पर भी ये प्रश्न उठाएंगे, जनता को भ्रमित करेंगे, आंदोलन करेंगे। ये संवैधानिक पद पर बैठा व्यक्ति राहुल गांधी इस तरह का प्रश्न उठा रहा है, ये माननीय न्यायालय के ऊपर उंगली है। संविधान और संवैधानिक पद के अपमान है। क्या ये व्यक्ति संवैधानिक पद पर बैठने का योग्य है? देश का नेता प्रतिपक्ष का राहुल गांधी और बिहार का नेता तेजस्वी यादव जी, आप संवैधानिक पद पर बैठकर अप्पू और पप्पू के तरह अभी भी सोने के चम्मच लेकर के जन्म लेते हैं और उसी मानसिकता में जीते हैं। जमींदारी भाव, परिवारवाद से बाहर निकलिए। संविधान रहेगा तभी कोई लोकतंत्र बचेगा और लोकतंत्र का अपमान मत करिए। ये बहुत ही गलत परंपरा डाल रहे हैं और ऐसे लोगों पर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
Well, let's just get my colleague Prabhakar. Prabhakar, take us to the reactions that are coming about. We just heard Tejasvi Yadav and the Deputy Chief Minister, but what is the opposition really saying?
See, as far as the opposition is concerned, mainly the RJD and the Congress out here, they have been crying foul on this since this entire exercise, the SIR, which is the Special Intensive Revision of the Electoral Roll, started. And they are making 2 points out here. They are saying that they have absolutely nothing, there's nothing wrong in actually carrying out this exercise, but the timing is wrong. And the span which is given for the completion of this entire exercise, that is too short. So if the Election Commission intends to complete this entire SIR exercise within a span of 25 days, that's humanly not possible. It would take at least an year for an exercise as large as this, and in a state of Bihar, which has voters in crores, then it would take at least a year to complete this exercise. And secondly, they are saying that they are alleging that the Election Commission is acting as on the behest of the BJP, as a puppet of BJP. They went on to use this word puppet for the Election Commission, which is a constitutional body, and saying that they are actually conducting this exercise just before the election to weed off the supporters, the RJD supporters, the Congress supporters, mainly the opposition party supporters, and they would actually be targeting the booths where the opposition parties have a major stronghold. So these are the allegations which the Tejasvi Yadav and the opposition party is making, and we have seen them actually this entire saga playing out on the street when there was a Bihar Bandh call given, and Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav, they were out on the streets and actually held a protest march. Now, interestingly, when this entire exercise has been conducted, our sources in EC is confirming to us that they have been able to identify few foreign nationals whose name were there in the voter list, they hail from countries like Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar, and their names would be obviously struck off, but those names have actually been actually figured, and we are just waiting for the further details on it, whether which district they're claiming to be resident of.
Thank you so much, Prabhakar, for getting us all those details.